a customer's vision that he asked us to build. We probably spent about 5,000 or so hours building. It's a 1929 Cadillac LaSalle. First thing he wanted done was it stretched to the V16 wheelbase versus the V12 or V8. So you had to fabricate the fenders going down, fabricate the hood, louvers, and all of that, the hood and the louvers. It's got a crate GM Performance LS3, 485 horsepower. It's got high suspension set up, got Wilwood disc brakes all around, vintage air, custom leather interior with some kind of unique fabric that he found that came from France. Really very, very beautiful stuff. He also had a cabinet maker to build a bar that we installed in the back of the car. Totally modern, everything about it. You know, you can run down Interstate 40 at 75 miles an hour, just smooth as glass, and go anywhere you wanted to in the country in this car. It's a really beautiful car, and we're really fortunate to have the opportunity at Raleigh Speed Shop to build it for Mr. Crumpler, the gentleman who commissioned us to build this vehicle.
That's a beautiful car.
Everything about it is pretty much brand new. It's a 1929, but it's really kind of a 2023.
Yeah.
You know, we stretched the chassis.
Okay.
By about 13, 14 inches, I think it was.
Awesome.
That was really to make it the V16 wheelbase.
Yeah.